I'm beginning to be very, very disappointed. I don't understand. In fact, I can't even think anything anymore. It is about 2 weeks now. Our people went to the kingdom to go and fight for this kingdom. And you, my elder, you promised us that within 3 days you are the eye of the god or whoever that his name is. Daike, I'm beginning to feel disappointed. I am so much disappointed.
You are disappointed in me?
Yes!
You feel so much disappointed in me?
Simple.
Listen, let me tell you something. I am not to be blamed.
Hey.
It is the eye of the gods that told us, assured us, gave us the surety that when they go out there and fight for us, in 3 solid days, they are going to be back.
Elder, you are still talking about hope and belief. Wait for them to die. When they die...
Hey.
Oh.
Listen,
Aye.
I didn't bring you closer to me because you have the impetus to talk to me any way you like.
Your brother is not there. Your brother, my brother is in that place fighting.
You are talking about your only brother.
Hey!
Your only brother.
Hey!
He has gone and in 2 weeks he's not back. My grandchildren are in need.
Because you have so many siblings and so many family people. For him, he's the only one I have.
You can have only one, but I have a lot. I could lose.
You have a lot you can
You
take.
can leave.
Okay, no problem. Edda!
I said leave.
Oh, okay. Hey, no problem. What? I'll come back again.
Listen.
Yo.
Listen.
I'm hungry. You have been on this journey for a while. I'm hungry. I'm talking to you.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Have I eaten? Tell me. My brother, you have to be strong. We are warriors. Don't forget that. We are warriors, and this is our work. It is my prayer that on our way, we get something better to eat. So you have to stay strong. Be a man. Be a man.
When? Me.
Be a man.
Leave me.
Be a man.
Come in.
And where do you think you are going to?
I'm hungry. If you are not hungry, I'm hungry. I can't sit here.
You see, we need to stay together.
Take time on before I start dying on this journey. No.
Huh. Impossible. You think you can escape? It is not possible for the rats to attack the cards. Gods of the land, locate them. Huh. Wherever you are, I will locate you. I have the powers given to me by the gods of the land. I will locate you.
What is it?
Can't you see you are tired?
You see, I know we are tired. We've been on this mission for a long time now, but you know the mission that we are on. This man Abolo, you see all the atrocities he has committed in our village. And today, we must also put an end to this.
But I'm tired, you know.
Kisi, dear man, let's go.
Where is this sound coming from? At this hour of the night?
Hey! Is that a dead body? Hey! Calamity! What am I seeing? In this village? Hey! I will see.
Good evening. Good evening.
What are you doing here?
I'm with Ausi.
You are with Ausi. You can leave.
But Uncle, why?
I said leave.
Just like that. Uncle, why?
Ausi, I can see you have gotten better.
Yes, it just happened. I think it's a miracle.
No wonder. The eye has spoken. Whenever my people are winning, all the sick people in my village will be strong and will be getting better. I will see. No wonder. No wonder. It is a miracle. It is a miracle. I will see. It is a miracle. I have to go out there and pour some libation. Eh? Let me go and pour my libation.
Yeah. Wait. Please wait. I'm looking for a certain woman in this village, okay? I was told she lives in the village, but I don't know her house. Okay, I just want to take something.
Abolo! Is that not Abolo? Oh? Abolo! So, after causing mess to my village, you have the audacity of walking freely. I see.
Town crier! Or is it a gossip I should call you?
You call me a gossiper.
I am not that farmer you used to know. I've traveled earthwise and I'm back to build up this land.
Says who? Says who?
The gods of the land!
I know you. All your tricks will not work this time.
The festival is approaching. Would you like to be turned into a goat and to be sold out, or do you want me to kill you instantly? Udeke! Udeke!
What do you think you are doing?
Udeke!
I will not allow you to kill
Hey!
this time. Wait.
Abolo. Hey.
Who is chasing
Hey.
you?
No.
What is it all about?
Abolo, I'm coming to tell you something. Hey.
What is it? What is it?
I learned last night. They killed somebody last night.
In this community?
Yes.
Do you know that very person?
No. I just heard it.
Did you see the person?
No.
Cool down.
That's why I decided to come and tell you.
You did well.
Yeah.
You did well. Cool down. As long as I am in this community,
Okay.
oh, you are safe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You can go home.
All right.
All right?
All right.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
I am in this community to take care of the citizens. Daughter, don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Bad people have to die for the good ones to live. They killed somebody.
Uncle? Uncle?
Ah,
Good afternoon.
afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am feeling better. Anyway, where are you going to?
Please, I'm coming to you.
You are coming to your uncle. I am here. Speak.
Uncle, something has been bothering me since. But I've been trying to ask you, and I get scared anytime I wanted to ask you.
Why should you get scared of your own uncle? What is it? Speak.
The brothers that you sent to Abolo's kingdom, they are still not back. What are you doing about them?
Some things are not meant for the kids to know. The I have assured me that all of them will come back home safely, okay? You don't need to worry. I believe in the I. They will surely come back safe.
If you say so.
Huh? Is that another dead body? Hey! No. This might be a curse. These killings might be a curse. The rumors might be true. Somebody must be behind these killings. Hey! Oh.
Is he there? Yes, he's there. Let's go.
Bisa,
Papa,
since we came, I'm the only one doing all the work. And you are sitting here idle.
Papa, I'm not feeling well.
Yeah. Are you sure you're not feeling well?
Yes, Papa.
I hope it's not pregnancy.
Papa, pregnancy. I'm not pregnant. How can I be pregnant?
Ah.
I'm not feeling well. I'm just not feeling well.
Oh, okay. But remember, pregnancy before marriage.
Papa, you are going to hurt me with this cutlass, so. Papa, Papa, I'm not feeling well. Don't forget he said I'm your only investment.
Good! It's good you've reminded me. You're my only investment. Don't worry. Sit down. I'll do all the work. But when I'm done and I see you with a good-for-nothing guy, then that investment, I'll uproot it.
Papa, the cutlass, so.
Just remember what I said. Huh? Look. When will I finish with all this? Hello. So you are reminding me too. My only investment, oh. I have to get these young boys, you understand, to go and harvest it before these market women start coming.
You better do it faster because you know I'm no more into farming.
Okay.
Herbs to heal the land and the people.
Okay. Because I can't waste any more time.
I support you.
So you people are here again. Oh, what should we do to you people? So, especially you. You think I've forgiven you? As I'm telling you, all your evil deeds are coming to an end.
I reject.
And I told you can't work. You, the gods of our ancestors, have seen how evil you are destroying our people. And I'm be monitoring you. And very soon,
I rebuke you.
And I'm telling you, your time is up.
Great gods of this land.
And they have rejected you. The gods of the land have rejected you.
Tupiakwa.
And you are also not giving him advice.
I forbid you.
You forbid who? It is not the time for
you.
bidding. This is the time for you to be destroyed.
The ancestors of this great land will never.
You are always working here hypocrisy.
Forget about this.
I will never forgive you people.
Forget about this drunkard.
I forbid you.
Let's talk about my farm. Where are you from at this ungodly hour?
Papa,
You can't talk again. You are from your boyfriend, isn't it?
No. No, Papa.
Didn't you hear the warning? Not to stay out late. I'll report you and make sure you are disciplined.
Papa, please. Papa, please.
Even go. You are from. You'll be disciplined. This hour. Let's have a rest here.
My children, don't run.
Who are you? And where are you?
I am the spirit of your forefathers.
Why do you think we should believe you?
Keep quiet. You have no right to question spirits. I've come to help you. You are still close to your enemy's territory. Rise up and go. Rise up and go.
Oh, great ancestors. I know you helped me to find this princess. And when I do, I will surely deal with them. And I will never forgive them when I find it.
I'm tired. In fact, I'm tired.
No, you can't stop. Rise up.
I'm thirsty.
There is danger. Very close. Move forward. Move. Move.
Mine pepe ilo, oyi pedegbe nkune. Mine de ilo, oyi kedegbe nkune. Mine de ilo, oyi kedegbe nkune. Mine bebe ilo, oyi kedegbe nkune. Mine be.
Ẹ̀dá.
Brother, I thought you said you are going to somewhere.
Shut up over there. Is that place or that somewhere better?
I mean, I have something better to do. You are wasting my time. You now have to see my friends. Me, I'm going to the house where you are ready. You can come.
Look at this small girl. You don't even know your age. Hey, Edda, are you okay? Edda, you see, I can't go anywhere. See you. In fact, I was going somewhere. And then I've seen you. You know, I can never move without saying good morning, good afternoon to you.
Oh, that is good of you.
Ah, too.
Hey, what is it that you want to ask me?
Hey, Edda.
Wait,
Hey,
before that one,
hey.
what is that beautiful flowers going out there? Is she one of your things? Is it one of your friends?
Edda, so you don't know my younger sister. She's the youngest.
Oh,
that's my younger sister.
Oh,
Hey,
I thought she was your friend.
I hope I'm not thinking what is in your brain. Edda, if it is what you are thinking, change it to 1 degree. You see, my sister can never be your 8th wife. If you are planning of getting married to my elder sister, over my dead body.
Is she the eldest or you are the eldest?
Hey, you see, this is to tell you that I won't accept it. Hey, Edda.
What is it that you wanted to greet me about?
Hey, you see, it is getting to 2 weeks now. People went to other kingdoms to fight. I want to know. In fact, I want to find out if you've heard of anything or if there's anything.
Everything is under control. Everything is all right. Don't worry. Everything is all right. You know what? That's your junior sister. When you go home, just tell her that tomorrow in the morning she should come and accompany me to the farm. A lot of my farm produce have, matured, so that she helps me carry them home.
Edda, don't worry. You see, my sister don't have any strength. For me, I have a strength. I have the capacity. Don't worry. Let's go and sit down. Even to tomorrow, I'll be here so that we'll go together to the farm.
Don't worry. Let your sister come. I have a lot of farm produce.
This one you can't confuse me.
Don't worry.